Bullish Zcash cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $218.80 and $413.30 by 2030. Market investigators accept ZEC could reach $170.18 by 2025. Bearish Zcash market cost expectation for 2023 is $38.90. Zcash presentation. The making of numerous computerized resources acquired contest for consideration the market as far as their improvement group, guide, and numerous other contending factors. Generally speaking, a portion of these resources simply depend on the force of their local area to attract others like Shiba Inu. Notwithstanding, they keep working regardless of the perpetual government arrangements and limitations and have demonstrated strength generally speaking. One of only a handful of exceptional impressive tokens is Zcash. Zcash is viewed as one of the main ventures in the digital currency market with an elevated degree of basic development and a main group. ZEC is the first blockchain-based open-source resource that was worked with a similar structure as Bitcoin. The underpinning of the advancement of this token has empowered its flexible incorporation into different conventions and the non-exclusive interoperability element of Bitcoin. Notwithstanding, regardless of the examination with BTC, Zcash is as yet a maturing digital money with a creating structure of activity. All in all, what are the variables that influence its cost esteem? Will the past verifiable value activity of ZEC assist with giving a knowledge into its future cost development? In this video, we'd feature the essentials of this token, specialists' viewpoints, and future cost projections utilizing Progress specialized examination devices. We'd examine the highlights that make Zcash a wise venture. What is Zcash? Zcash Network is an open-source blockchain that was sent off in 2016 with a decent market cap of 21 million ZEC tokens like Bitcoin. The essential point of this stage is to give high conditional security on the organization by utilizing the innovation called Zero Information Evidence, a cryptographic programming that empowers the approval of on-chain exchanges while keeping the client's character unknown. The organization's trademark security highlight was intended to shield the clients and their exchanges from framework openness of their resources. However, it likewise permits the clients to communicate and share exchange data in regards to guidelines and reviews. As indicated by the main designers of the organization, Zcash was based on a well-informed logical technique to underline the limit of the framework. On-chain examination uncovers that numerous clients avoid the security choice on the convention, however keep on expanding in number in light of the minimal expense of exchanges, exchange labs, and the organization's privacy. Zcash basic investigation. Numerous fundamental variables underlie the development of Zcash since its origin in 2016. From the advancement group to their various organizations, to the versatility factors that facilitate the course of exchanges on the organization, and they incorporate adaptability. One of the top elements of digital forms of money is instability, which is impacted by many variables like market opinion, guidelines, thus numerous others. In any case, the strength of a resource is estimated by how such factors are dealt with inside and remotely. Zcash has assembled the certainty of its organization clients and financial backers by utilizing the openness of the media stages and the web to make sound thoughtfulness regarding the improvement of the convention. This has brought an enormous number of financial backers into the chain, making ZEC's worldwide passage into the area huge and incredibly productive. This thusly spiked the interest and supply of Zcash as additional individuals purchased. Zcash current cost. Zcash is presently worth $48.62 USD. ZEC has moved 1.51% as of now with an exchanging volume of $61,669,888. Zcash is presently positioned 60 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $767,014,308 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Zcash to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Zcash market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Zcash Value Forecast 2023. Zcash, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ZEC cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $72.93. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $68.07 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ZEC is supposed to have a base worth of $58.35. Zcash Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Zcash ZEC cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ZEC will before long outperform $121.56. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the ZEC's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, ZEC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $97.25 and a typical exchanging cost of $106.97. Zcash value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $170.18 and ZEC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ZEC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $155.59 and a low of $145.87 in 2025. Zcash value expectation 2026. Assuming Zcash effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the ZEC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ZEC will be green in 2026. The ZEC is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $218.80, with a base cost of $194.49 and a typical cost of $204.22. Zcash value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the ZEC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $252.84 by 2027, with a base cost of $243.12 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ZEC has a greatest value worth of $267.43. Zcash value expectation 2029. While ZEC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $340.36 and a yearly cost close above $364.67 in 2029. Zcash value expectation 2030. By 2030, Zcash will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $388.98 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $413.30, averaging out at $398.71. Zcash value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ZEC cost in 2031 is projected to be $476.51 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of